Hi everyone, it's Linda Canase with LyndaCreates, and I'm doing something a little unusual today. I am camping in my RV and I'm shooting some videos for you. These are some new dies from Trinity Stamps, and although I am not at my usual studio at home, I wanted to shoot some fun videos on the road. So let me show you this. This is the, and some of you may know this from my iCrafter design, but this is the toolbox gift card holder. And since Father's Day is coming up real soon, I just wanted to share this. It is so much fun because you can either do it, this is on the front of a card, so it's attached inside or to the front of a card, and there's a gift card. You just insert your gift card in there. And all these tools can come off as well. But I also wanted to show that you can make it as an independent little gift card holder by itself. So I'm going to show you real quickly here how to make this as just a regular gift card holder. So you will need to cut two of these, the larger pieces. And then I already, let's see, there's one of these with the little angled flap, the glue tab, and two of these long black pieces, and I also cut two of the long silver pieces, but I already attached them, so you would cut them separately, of course. And then two of the shorter pieces, same thing. And then there's a whole bunch of little, I cut 4 of the wheels and 4 of these, what is it, whatever holds the wheels on. Okay, so on the die, what we're going to do, there are, you'll notice little indents right here, here, and here. I don't know if you could see that. If I tip it, I don't know if you can see. Anyway, they're on both sides, so it tells you how to align your drawers. So the bigger one's on the bottom. So let me just go ahead and add some glue there. My liquid adhesive is having a hard time with the higher elevation up here, so bear with me. Now you could also put these on with foam, and that's what I did on these so that they added more dimension. You want to leave an opening so that the gift card could slip inside. There is a fold at the top where the glue tab goes. Okay, and you want to glue that along the top of the back piece. And the glue tab is the one with the slight slant to it. And the other thing too is when you cut the extra silver pieces, you have to cut them backwards, because, or the reverse side of the paper, because they will go in the reverse direction. Okay. So there is our little gift card. The die also comes with all of these tools, a saw, a wrench that's stuck, a hammer, and and some pliers, which are stuck down here. But I also, you could add little handles to it. You can see it has a wooden handle on it. I also use a little distress or alcohol ink to give a little color to the metallic. So you could do a lot of different things with that. And then the gift card, if you're giving it this way, gift card just fits in there like that. And the lid can close, and you could seal it up if you want. And so there's a great gift for Dad for Father's Day. Hope you like that. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Have fun.